The rumor mill is in full effect on social media about Colorado Governor John Hickenlooper as a candidate in the next presidential race, and that Hickenlooper, who's a Democrat, would team up with Ohio Governor and Republican John Kasich in 2020. Political specialist Sean Boyd here tonight. Interesting to say the least, but what are the chances this actually happens?
Well, you know, after last election, of course, anything is possible. But while Governor Hickenlooper has been coy in the past when we've asked him about plotting an independent ticket, when we caught up with him today in Pueblo, he told us flat out, not going to happen, calling it inconceivable in our two-party system.
But no, we've never sat down and talked about it. We have not made any plans.
Governor Hickenlooper says he can't even imagine a unity ticket with his Republican counterpart, John Kasich.
He would demand that I had to be the vice president candidate, and I would demand that he had to be the vice president candidate.
While Hickenlooper brushed it off, speculation has been picking up. Since the duo teamed up on health care reform, they've been bipartisan peas in a pod.
John's an entrepreneur. He's a common sense guy, and I liked him from the time I met him.
But presidential peas in a pod, Republican analyst Dick Wadham says no way.
You know, every election year, every presidential year, we have folks who decide that this is the year for an independent candidacy to win because conditions are ripe for the two parties to be rejected, and it never works that way.
In part, he says, because of the party's vast infrastructure, including fundraising, volunteers, and get-out-the-vote machines.
I will say I've gotten texts today from people I haven't talked to in ages saying, what a great idea, I'm 100% on board. And I've texted back to each one saying, not going to happen, right? You know, John Kasich is, well, let's put it this way. He's more worldly, more sophisticated, but he doesn't know nada about beer.
But joking aside, Hickenlooper says it's just not feasible.
Both parties would go, you know, ballistic, and they would do everything they can to discredit and torpedo whichever two people from two parties began trying to create a third party.
I asked Dick Wadham who he thought a third-party ticket would hurt more. He said probably Republicans, citing polls showing at least 15% of Republicans don't support President Trump and may defect. But it could also help Trump spreading out the votes so that there's a lower threshold to become president. Dominic?
Sean, thank you.